Good morning, it's Monday the 20th of June and this is your daily outlook. The euro plummeted today as European leaders failed to reach an agreement on Greece's second bailout plan during a weekend meeting. Eurozone finance ministers said that a 12 billion loan is expected to be paid to Greece by mid-July as long as the new austerity measures are applied by the Greek government. The Greek Prime Minister George Papandreou appealed for national unity and support for the unpopular austerity measures necessary to avoid a catastrophic default. Focus now turns to the confidence vote due tomorrow. Credit rating agency Moody's put Italy on a negative review, further weighing on the single currency. Against the dollar, the euro dipped to 142.16 from 143.39. The US dollar strengthened against high-yielding currencies on heightened risk aversion but fell against the safe-haven Japanese yen. Escalating concerns over the Eurozone debt problems and growing fears of a debt contagion further support the safe-haven currency. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar fell to 80.01 from 80.67. The dollar also fell against the Swiss franc, sliding to 0.8482 from 0.8516. The Australian dollar edged lower today as debt problems in Greece sapped demand for high-yielding currencies. Against the stronger dollar, the Aussie slid as low as 105.22 from 106.34 trading on Friday. Aussie's neighbour, the Kiwi, also plummeted to 0.8058 from 0.8136. Oil prices fell to $91.38 a barrel today from $95.34 trading Friday. Gold edged higher at $1,541.94 an ounce from $1,522.41, and silver also ticked higher to $36.10 an ounce from $34.90. Now let's take a look at the currencies to watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 143, with a preference to enter into short positions at 142.90. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 80.50, with a preference to enter into short positions at 80.45. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 105.90, with a preference to enter into short positions at 105.90. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 161.75, with a preference to enter into short positions at 161.65. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9840, with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9840. Now let's have a look at commodities. The oil pivot point is at 93.75, with a preference to enter into short positions at 93.75. The gold pivot point is at 1528, with a preference to enter into long positions at 1528. And the silver pivot point is at 36.15, with a preference to enter into short positions at 36.15. And today's calendar and market movers, we have the Europe current account in April forecast to fall to minus 6.6 billion. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive on Friday, with the SP 500 trading up 0.30% and the Dow up 0.36%. The European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE up 0.28%, the DAX was up 0.76% and the CAC was up 0.83%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.17% and the Hang Seng was down 0.06%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.